Learn more on BBC Bitesize.
Hello, welcome to BBC Bitesize GCSE Maths. Can you guess what today's topic is? One YouTube video plus maths adds up to fun. See, that's an equation, right? Nailing it. It's not. Right, anyway, we're gonna have a good time in this video. Today, we are diving into algebraic expressions. So let's get started. First things first, pause this video, go to the BBC Bitesize website and familiarise yourself with the lingo. The key links are in the description below. Ready? Brilliant. Now you know what expressions are. Let's talk about video games. Personally, I love a good game. I love scratching that creative itch. And that's actually where algebra comes in. What it does, look, I'll show you. So first off, I want to make my base. So I need resources. In algebra, we use variables, letters that represent unknown numbers or quantities. Let's define the ones we'll use. The variable W represents the number of bundles of wood you collect. S represents the number of piles of stone you collect. And D represents the number of single scoops of dirt you collect. Now, wood comes in bundles of 4 pieces, and stone can be found in piles of 6 pieces. The total number of wood pieces you get is represented by the term 4W, and the total number of stone pieces you get is represented by the term 6S. Now, by combining the terms together, we get the algebraic expression 4W add 6S. Some resources, like dirt, are scattered throughout the map by themselves. So if I collect D, add D, add D, add D, add D, add D, add D scoops of dirt, how can I simplify this? Add the terms together, and what do you get? Yes, the answer is 7D. How about another question? What about 7D subtract 6D? If there is only one of the letters in your final answer, do not write the 1 in front of it, because a letter on its own means that there is only one of them. For example, 7D subtract 6D equals 1D, which equals D. Go to the BBC Bitesize website to find out more about collecting like terms. Okay, you're nearly ready to start building. Let's suppose you already have 4 bundles of wood, 4W, and 6 piles of stone, 6S. Then you collect another 5 bundles of wood, so 5W. Your total collection is now represented by the expression 4W add 6S add 5W. Now, to simplify this, we collect the like terms, the terms with the same W variable. So 4W add 5W equals 9W. The simplified result for your total resources is 9W add 6S. Expressions can also be multiplied and divided. Head to the BBC Bitesize website before you continue this video to check out what happens when a number or letter gets multiplied by itself. Now you have basic resources, it's time to get crafting and make some tools. Exciting. Actually, why don't you make this a multiplayer event and share this link with some friends while you're there? In the meantime, let's say you want to build a hammer. To build one hammer, you need 2 branches and 1 iron piece. We can use algebra to work out the value of a hammer. We need some variables for the value of the items. Variable B represents the cost of 1 branch. I represents the cost of 1 iron piece, and C represents the total cost of the hammer. Now, since we need 2 branches and 1 iron piece, our algebraic formula for the cost of the hammer is C equals 2B add I. This formula tells us that the total cost, which is C, is equal to 2 times the branch cost plus the iron cost. Combining ingredients to make something new is like substituting values in to an algebraic expression or formula. Now you have your hammer, we need BIDMAS or BODMAS to build some planting beds. This is the order you must follow when simplifying an expression. Brackets, indices, division and multiplication, where you work left to right, addition and subtraction, again, working left to right. Let's suppose one plant bed has a side length that is related to the number of plant beds, p. Let P equal the number of plant beds you are making. The length of one bed equals P add 2 units. The width of one bed equals P add 3 units. The perimeter is the sum of all 4 sides. Instead of writing them all out, we can actually use a shortcut here, love a shortcut, where perimeter equals 2 multiplied by P add 2 add 2 multiplied by P add 3. Now, using BIDMAS, first we expand the brackets. Expand step. 2p add 4 add 2p add 6. We collect the like terms. 4p add 10. So perimeter is 4p add 10 units. Go to the BBC Bitesize website for more practice. Now we have our tools, resources and land. That means it's time to get planting. I bought some apple seeds from an NPC, so let's use foil to work out how to plant them. Foil. First, outer, inside, last. The length of each planting bed is P add 2. The width is P add 3. So the area equals P add 2 multiplied by P add 3. First, P multiplied by P equals P squared. Outer, P multiplied by 3 equals 3P. Inner, 2 multiplied by P equals 2P. Last, 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. Equals P squared add 3P add 2P add 6. Equals P squared add 5P add 6. The area is P squared add 5P add 6 square units. GG. Don't forget to check out BBC Bitesize for more bracket fun. Well, we really leveled up some algebra skills today. Well done all. And if you want to gain some more XP, then head over to the BBC Bitesize website. The link is below. And now it's time to take on the algebra boss.
For in-depth GCSE resources and practice, visit BBC Bitesize now.